monthly income over 17K, monthly income of over 50K, monthly income of around 7K, monthly income of over 80K, monthly income is over 2K. In this video, I will share with you the top 10 faceless YouTube channel niches ideas that can make money in 2024. Number 10. Tech. Are you interested in technology? If so, creating content in this niche could be perfect for you. You can make videos about the latest tech news, trends, and innovations. One successful YouTuber in this niche is TechZone. With over 4 million subscribers, he earns an estimated monthly income of over 50K. TechZone creates videos on tech reviews, comparisons, and news. To succeed in this field, create high-quality content, be true to yourself, and collaborate with other tech YouTubers. Number 9. Passive income is a widely discussed topic on YouTube. For instance, Digital Income Project has a dedicated channel that teaches people how to generate passive income. The channel has over 100K subscribers, and its estimated monthly income is over 2K. Moreover, it receives approximately 1 million monthly video views. Number 8. Personal finance. This niche involves teaching people how to manage their finances. The successful YouTuber in this niche is How Money Works. With over 990K subscribers, monthly income over 17K, and over 4 million monthly video views. His strategy involves creating content that is informative and entertaining. Who should start this niche? People with experience in personal finance who can teach others how to manage their finances. Number 7. Website design. This niche involves teaching people how to design websites. GreatStack is a successful YouTuber in this niche with over 965K subscribers, monthly income of around 7K, and 2 million monthly video views. His strategy involves creating tutorials that are easy to follow and providing value to his audience. Who should start this niche? People with experience in website design who can teach others how to design websites. Number 6. Lawyers. Consulting. This niche involves teaching people about legal matters. The successful YouTuber in this niche is Legal Eagle, with over 3 million subscribers, monthly income of over 80K, and over 20 million monthly video views. His strategy involves creating content that is informative and entertaining. Who should start this niche? Lawyers who can teach others about legal matters. He's showing his face, but you can give tips without showing your face. Number 5. Investments. This niche involves teaching people how to invest their money. The successful YouTuber in this niche is Free Investing with over 1 million subscribers, monthly income of 4K, and over 1 million monthly video views. His strategy involves creating educational content. Who should start this niche? People with experience in investing who can teach others how to invest their money. Number 4. Gaming live streams and playthroughs. Not Rexy is a popular gamer and YouTuber who has over 120K subscribers and an estimated monthly income of 2K. He started by sharing his gameplay and providing commentary and reactions. He also collaborated with other gamers and created challenges and competitions. To start in this niche, you could invest in a gaming setup and start playing and sharing your gameplay with commentary. Number 3. Productivity, hacks, and work-life balance. Productivity. Game is a popular channel that covers productivity hacks and work-life balance. It has over 590K subscribers and earns around 1K per month. Uses a tutorial format to provide actionable advice. Anyone with productivity experience who can provide actionable advice should start this niche. Number 2. Pets and animals. Cutest Animals is a pet YouTuber channel with over 920K subscribers and an estimated monthly income of 3K with 1 million monthly views. They share pet care tips, showcase adorable animal antics, and explore the fascinating world of animal behavior. Their success is due to their love for animals, engaging content, and high-quality production values. To start in this niche, you can share your pet care tips, showcase your furry friends, and create engaging content that appeals to animal lovers. Number 1. Software. If you are into coding and software development, this niche is for you. People are always looking for innovative and easy-to-use software, and if you can provide them with that, you can make a good amount of money. For example, BroCode, the founder of Linus Tech Tips, has over 1 million subscribers and earns an estimated monthly income of over 18K and 4 million monthly views. He creates videos on software tutorials, reviews, and gaming. To be successful in this niche, produce quality content, use relevant keywords, and promote your videos in different online communities. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like and hit that subscribe button to make money online 2024. Now YouTube shows you 4 videos. Watch one of them for more ideas. Thanks for watching.